Butter cookies. You had me at butter. 7 pouches, peanut free. Mini. 1 pouch is 120 calories. A proudly Canadian company. Let's try that. Not very much in here for 120 calories. Wow. That's not a lot. Well, they really are many. What do they look like? Wow. Yes. They're not as good as the other one. I don't really like that. Celebration Mini. Meh.